Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
What is that? It is a tree. What is that? It is a tree too. They are the same word. They are not the same.
She is right. One is big. One is small.
It is a big tree. It is a small tree. Where does the word go?
Before the tree. Always before.
A big tree. Not a tree big.
Never a tree big.
Why?
In English the word comes first. In many languages it comes after.
A big tree. A small tree. A green tree. An old tree.
Good. And an old tree, not a old tree.
Because it is easier to say.
You remember. Everybody. One word for yourself.
I am fast.
I am small.
I am grey.
I am tall.
You are not tall.
I am tall for 9.
That is a different sentence.
Milo is right. Tall is one thing. Tall for 9 is another.
Robert. What are you?
I am brown.
What else?
I am big.
What else?
I am old.
Robert. You said it.
I said old. It is not a number.
It is more than a number. Is old a bad word?
No, Rosie. Old is an old word.
Is that a joke?
It is half a joke.
Milo is a grey cat. Chloe is a tall girl. Rosie is a small rabbit. Robert is a big bear.
For sentences. All correct. Word before the animal.
I heard him.
What is Johnny?
He is a loud dog.
I am a loud dog.
You are proud of it. That is the problem.
I am a proud loud dog.
2 words before the animal.
Nobody taught him that.